laundry activity in high kneeling. So I'm currently standing and I'm just going to get down on both knees. I have a chair on one side and I have my laundry hamper on the other. I'm taking my socks and I'm just going to scatter them. I have 4 different pairs here. So we're going to work on finding the matching pairs, folding them, and then we're going to put them in the laundry hamper. Doing high kneeling will work on core strength. So this is kind of forcing us to be upright. So I'm going to take my socks. I found my Santa socks. I will put one below the other slightly, and then we're going to roll it over to get some fine motor in. Put it over here. And I have these big socks. I'm going to put one below the other, roll it over. Oh, that one's tricky. Put it over here. Then this one is inside out, so I'm going to take it, put it the right way, find its pair, put one below the other, roll it, and then I will leave those right side out, and then I'm going to roll these. Next thing I'm going to do is, while I'm still in high kneeling, I put all my socks on my chair. And I'm just going to open my hamper, and I will take my right side and I'm going to put it over, let me see what's it on. So I'm crossing midline by doing this. Okay. And if we want to make it more challenging, we'll get a pillow. So let me grab a pillow. I'm going to put my pillow here. Put my pillow on the floor. This will feel really good on my knees, but then I'm also going to be in high kneeling. And it's just a little bit more of a strengthener because we have to balance. I'm going to take my left side, put it over here. So I'm just going to do this 2 or 3 times. I'm working on crossing midline and core strength. Okay. We'll do it one more time to the left. You can also practice shooting in the basket. While we're on our pillow, we can put the laundry hamper, about 2 feet away. I'm going to try to scoop my pillow back. I'm going to take my socks, roll them together using both hands, and I'm going to shoot. Shoot. You can try with just our left hand. And we could just do